In this video, I'll share all the details you're curious about regarding the 2025 Hyundai Baion's updated design, technology, and performance. If you're looking for a stylish, tech-savvy, and powerful option in the compact SUV segment, this video is for you. You'll learn about everything from the subtle details of Baion's exterior design to its engine performance. Let's get started. The 2025 Hyundai Baion immediately catches attention with its front design. The new model features full-width LED daytime running lights that stand out. These lights give the vehicle a sophisticated look, whether driving during the day or at night. The updated front grille and sharp bumper design contribute to the car's strong and dynamic stance. On the side profile, fluid and aerodynamic lines are maintained, while new wheel options add a sporty touch to the vehicle. These wheels are not only an aesthetic element, but also designed to contribute to the car's performance. At the rear, redesigned bumper and taillights grab attention. The rear lights give the Baion a modern and cohesive look. Additionally, the diffuser detail at the bottom of the bumper supports the car's aerodynamic structure. The Hyundai Baion offers wheel options ranging from 16 inches to 18 inches. These wheels enhance the vehicle's sporty appearance while also improving road grip. Baion measures 4,180 millimeters in length, 1,775 millimeters in width, and 1,490 millimeters in height. These dimensions ensure that the Baion remains compact for city use while not compromising on interior space. The 2025 Hyundai Baion's interior design and technology combine comfort and functionality to provide a modern experience for both the driver and passengers. The materials used in the cabin create a high-quality feel relative to its segment, and the spacious and ergonomic design makes even long journeys enjoyable. Firstly, the cabin's width and spaciousness stand out. The Baion's interior offers ample space for both front and rear passengers. The high roofline provides extra headroom, particularly for rear seat passengers. This allows even taller passengers to be comfortable. The cockpit design features a driver-focused approach. The 10.25-inch digital instrument panel allows the driver to easily follow all essential information. The similarly sized multimedia screen is accessible and user-friendly for both the driver and passengers. This screen is touch-sensitive and high-resolution, making it easy to control navigation, media, and vehicle settings. On the technology side, Hyundai Baion offers various innovative features. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support allows you to integrate your smartphone with the vehicle system, enabling quick access to your favorite apps and content. The wireless charging pad lets you charge your phone without a cable, minimizing distractions while driving. Additionally, the Baion's interior is highly effective in sound insulation, reducing road and engine noise for a more peaceful driving experience. Hyundai Baion's interior design and technology offer a functional and aesthetic experience for both the driver and passengers. This provides an ideal environment for both daily use and long journeys. The 2025 Hyundai Baion offers flexibility and variety with its engine and transmission options. Equipped with 3 different gasoline engines, the Baion balances performance and fuel efficiency to appeal to a wide range of drivers. The first engine option is a 1.2-liter MPI naturally aspirated gasoline engine. This engine produces 84 horsepower and 118 nanometers of torque. Suitable for city driving, this naturally aspirated engine offers economical fuel consumption and comes with a 5-speed manual transmission. The second option is a 1.0-liter TGDI turbocharged gasoline engine. This engine produces 98 horsepower and 172 nanometers of torque. Thanks to its turbocharged design, it provides high performance even at low revs and offers either a manual or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission for a more flexible driving experience. Finally, there is a 1.0-liter TGDI turbocharged gasoline engine producing 118 horsepower. This engine also produces 172 nanometers of torque and is ideal for drivers seeking performance. The Baion is equipped with a range of advanced safety systems designed to make your driving experience safer and more comfortable. Notable features include lane keeping assist, collision avoidance assist, blind spot warning system, and smart cruise control. Additionally, the new generation eCall system allows you to automatically call for help in emergencies. The 2025 Hyundai Bayon stands out with its dynamic design and user-friendly features. With its ideal size and practicality for city use, it offers comfort and efficiency for daily driving. Equipped with modern technology and safety features, this model is a suitable option for both city driving and long journeys. The Bayon, which can be personalized with different colors and trim options, is designed to meet the needs of modern car enthusiasts. It could be an excellent choice for those looking to keep pace with the speed of urban life. We have reviewed the details and features of the Hyundai Bayon. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, feel free to share your thoughts or questions about the Bayon in the comments. See you in our next video, and goodbye!